Hello.
Hello. Come here. Let's go. What are you doing today?
Eating ice cream, I'm walking around.
Oh, yeah. It's cool, isn't it? How's life? It's okay? Where are you right now? You're London? You're a London boy? Yeah. Woohoo. Windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's okay. So what are you doing today?
Eating ice cream.
Oh, you just eating for yourself? Can you give some duck?
They wouldn't like it.
Yeah, they will. Probably we should try. You wanna say something for them? Let's feed them. Hello, ducks. I know your grandfather. Turn duck. Hello, ducks. They're good, isn't they? Look at that. Open your hand. Just do like this. Turn around. No, just keep your hand open. Other way around. Other way around. Yeah. And okay, show birth. Show birth. He's gonna attack you.
What is that?
They just got him. He's hungry. Open her hands. Now let birth is gonna become to you. Yes.
Oh my God. That's it.
Yeah, okay, open more. Give them more. Open your hand and let bird fly. This pigeon gonna become to you. It's okay. Don't afraid. Yeah, just give it them. They're not biting. You don't need to scare them. They love you. Look at them. Look at me. Look at me. Look my hands. Look, they coming and eating. You see? Yeah. Yeah, they scared it. Pigeon. Huh? Open your hand. Oh my God, behind you. Open your hand. Let pigeons come. Open your hand. Keep like that. No, don't scare it. No, come on. Let them come, okay? Don't afraid. They just want to eat your hands. Okay? Yeah, keep like this. Stay like this. They're gonna come. Don't worry. No, this goose not attack you. Look at that.
I'm scared of him.
No, you don't do nothing. Look at that. He's okay. He's little mafia. Hello, goose.
I like it.
Which one?
Telling it out.
Keep your other hand like this. Don't move. Okay? Stay like this. Stay.
No.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Stay like that. No, don't do it.
Give them.
No, don't.
Stop it.
Look at that. So, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Look, you see? It's coming. Okay, come here. Oh, okay. Keep like that. Keep like that.
Whoa.
Come on. Come here. Yeah, no, don't put your hand. Okay, keep like this. They're gonna come. Keep like this. Yeah, stay.
Oh, it's adorable. It's a
Yeah.
feet that's attacking me.
Look at that.
It's a feet.
Yeah, they're coming. So many birds. Everywhere pigeon.
This is Pigeon Land.
It's pigeon land. Hello, pigeon. Hello, pigeon. Hello, pigeon. Yeah, they know it.
Give some to the dogs. I love birds.
Really? You want to give some and they're gonna come?
I would, but I have to.
Yeah, for safety.
Otherwise, I
Yeah. Really?
Good idea to do the car. What?
Look at that. Oh, this pigeon. Oh, they're fighting.
Oh no.
Oh.
Give it to me.
Really? Oh. Yeah, this I just walked it, I think. Yeah. I do sometimes when I walk.
Just make sure
Yeah.
to give some to the gooses, like tips them out for the ducks. Boys.
Oh, there's so many. They're crazy. You see what they did?
Adorable. Oh.
Okay, give the last one.
You need something to handle. That's something to handle.
Yeah, open your hand. That's it. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go. All right, bye-bye, sweetie. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye-bye. And you too. Bye-bye.
Oh, so adorable.
Huh?
So adorable.
You finished your ice cream?
I guess.
Really? Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, pigeon mafia.
Which one's litter?
This is the cycling.
To put in here?
Yeah, cycling. Okay, so what you thinking? You give some food for pigeon. They almost broke our camera. We just bought it this for. And they attack. You see that? It was serious.
We need to get more food.
Yeah, but they're eating like a crazy.
I don't know.
Yeah, and this is expensive. You know this
What should we do with the big ones?
big one? They eat everything.
Also, just mostly the pigeon?
We feed them all, we give them corn, we give all of them. You know where you are now?
Yeah, well, we're still in London.
You are still in London? Oh, it's cool.
I need to do more.
What you need to do more?
We need to buy more food.
You need to buy more food and they're gonna attack you.
Oh, that's what you like it.
Yeah, look at my hand. Show your hand. It was scary, isn't it?
I know, I need to do this.
Really?
So they get attacked from most.
There's some park. No, you are not kid anymore.
Let's look at it.
No, let's go home.
Okay.
Okay? You are not kid anymore. Yeah. Show your dance. Wow, it's cool, man. Wow. Now, Bible 4? Say your song. Sing your song.
We need Bible.
We have so many food. Let's go to...
My birthday.
Yeah.
Where are they?
Just call them, they're coming anyway.
They're like, where like them?
Good. Yeah, we can buy from Amazon.
We can buy from Amazon?
Yeah. They're coming, but next day. I have one at home.
Yeah, let's get some alcohol and come back.
Oh, it's gonna be cold outside.
We need some from...
It's a nice place, isn't it here?
We need to get more bird food just in case if we eat them it's terrible.
Yeah, they're eating non-stop. You see the tennis park?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, just cut right, not just don't go downstairs.
Well, we need to get home and then get more food, then we can come back house and find more.
Huh?
And then we can walk around and if we find the bird, we can feed, yeah?
Yeah? Okay, what you want to tell before we close?
Right?
Look at me and say something.
To buy food for birds. And
And subscribe. Yeah. Otherwise, what you gonna do?
and feed you to alligators.
Wow. Subscribe to Akın Yılmaz. Look at that and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.